What's going on? I'm BJ. This is Avery, aka A-Dog, aka A-Star. You know what I'm talking about? High five. Booyah! We've been on this couch for about 5 hours watching college football. My wife isn't too happy. Can't say that I blame her. Hey baby, can you bring me a beer?
Hell nah.
But you know what? I anticipated this. Hey dog, go get me a beer, man. Oh, you gotta catch that. That was a touchdown. Come on. Come on. Good. What? Sit. How far? What? Can you teach her how to do that?
What did you say?
Nothing. I didn't say nothing. Good girl. Let's watch the football. I'm gonna holler at y'all later, man.